Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to talk about water cycle. Cycle means the events that takes place again and again. In water cycle, the process by which water circulates between the earth, oceans, atmosphere, land involving precipitation as rain and snow, drainage in stream and river, and return to the atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration. वाटर साइकिल में वाटर मूव करता है अर्थ, ओशंस, एटमॉस्फेयर और लैंड के दरमियान बाय इन्वॉल्विंग रेन एंड स्नो, ड्रेनेज एंड रिवर्स, and return to atmosphere through evaporation and transpiration. In the picture, you can see a water cycle in which the sun heats up the ocean water and water evaporates in the form of vapors, and then these vapors condense and back to the earth in the form of rain. There are four main stages in the water cycle. They are evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. First, the water heats up and change into vapors by evaporation method. Then this water condense, then precipitation and collection takes place and the water returns into the earth in the form of rain. Now we are going to talk about reversible changes. A reversible change is a physical change that can be undone. A final substance can be converted back to the original substance without creating any new material. Freezing, melting, dissolving, boiling, evaporating and condensing are reversible changes. रिवर्सिबल चेंज हम उस चेंज को कहते हैं जिसमें कोई भी चीज़ अपनी असली हालत में दोबारा वापस आ सकती है. In the picture you can see a reversible change in which an ice cream which is in solid form and change into liquid when put out from the freezer, and when we put this liquid again into the freezer, this solid then convert into the solid form. This is also called a reversible change. Now we are going to talk about irreversible change. A change is called irreversible if it cannot be changed back again. In an irreversible change, new material are always formed. इरिवर्सिबल चेंज हम उस चेंज को कहते हैं जिसमें कोई भी चीज़ अपनी ओरिजिनल हालत में वापस ना आ सके. इन द पिक्चर यू कैन सी एन इरिवर्सिबल चेंज व्हेन वी प्रोवाइड हीट to the egg converts into a new shape which is irreversible in nature. In this you can see the reversible and irreversible changes, so you can easily understand the concept of irreversible and reversible changes. Now students, I am giving you a question as assignment on book. So thank you and Allah Hafiz.